Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make the easiest pork chop ever, featuring my seasoning, Island Vibe seasoning. Check the link down below to purchase your Island Vibe cooking seasoning today because it is fire. Okay, now if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, leave your thoughts and suggestion down below. Without further ado, let's begin. To get started, you need some lime and soap to clean your meat. You definitely have to clean it. I'm kidding you guys. All you need is some lime or lemon to clean your pork chops. You definitely have to clean it. If you have some vinegar, you can definitely pour some vinegar on there and rinse it with some cold water. Alright, once you're done cleaning and rinsing your pork chop, next you're going to pat dry the water from the pork chop because we're trying a dry seasoning. We don't want any water in the pork chop, so that's why I am going to use a napkin to pat dry the pork chop. Now the seasoning that I'm using today is from Island Vibe cooking seasoning. Check the link down below if you are interested on getting this seasoning because it tastes amazing, you guys. I am going to use 2 tablespoons of the Island Vibe seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, and also half a teaspoon of pepper. Just mix it all together, and then we're going to add the seasoning on the pork chop. First, I usually spray my whatever pizza pan that I am going to bake the pork chop on, and it's good to use a pizza pan because the pizza pan is really hot on both sides. Basically, you will get a really nice crispy pork chop, so that's why I like to use pizza pan. Next, we're going to add the seasoning all over our pork chop, and after I add it on the pork chop, I am going to use my hands to pat the seasoning to make sure the seasoning get inside the meat. Okay, just use your hands, just pat it down, just rub it because it's a dry rub seasoning. Just rub it down on the pork chop. I actually use a little bit too much of the seasoning because I had some left. Let me tell you, the seasoning is really good, so you do not need that much, but I just like to over season everything. So this is how it's supposed to look after. I am going to let it sit for about 30 minutes before I bake this. And yes, there is some in the oven because I am making sweet baked potato for my cutie pie. Now we're going to cook this for about 20 to 30 minutes on 400. When they come out, this is how they look. Super crispy on the outside and it's really tender on the inside. This is how it looks. I eat it basically with some, some type of vegetable on the side, and pour your gravy, your favorite gravy on it. It's really good, guys, and it was really easy. So this is how it looked. I really hope you enjoy it. If you did, do not forget to leave your comment down below. If you have any suggestion, leave them down below for me. I will leave the seasoning down below in the description box, also the comment section, so check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you very soon on my next one. Bye.